Hello, fifth graders. It's week 11 of our number talk video series. This week we're focusing on the division strategy multiplying up. Very similar to partial quotients. Difference is with partial quotients you're subtracting as you go along. Where with multiplying up you are adding as you go along. Same premise though, you're working with friendly numbers. So 56 divided by 8. I know some of you know that's 7. That's beautiful. I'm not taking that away. I just want to show you the strategy using this example. So if I know that 8 fives is 40, I know that 8 twos is 16, well 40 plus 16 is 56, so I'd add 5 and 2 together and I know that 56 divided by 8 is 7. Or, let's say you didn't count by 5s. Let's say you counted and you said, well, I'm going to count by 3s. Because you said, 8 threes is 24. Another 8 threes is 24. So right now that gets us to 48. And you say, well, 8 ones is 8. So 48 plus 8 is 56. So with that, we know 3 plus 3 plus 1 is also 7. Again, it's working with friendly numbers. Let's look at a different example. 132 divided by 6. Some of you say, well, I like counting by tens because I know that 6 tens is 60. I know that another 6 tens is 60. So right now that has me up to 120. Well, I'm still 12 short, so 6 twos is 12. 120 plus 12 is 132. So then I would add up 10 plus 10 plus 2, which gives me then a total of 22. So 132 divided by 6 is 22. Or some of you may say, well, Mr. Harrison, I already know that 6 20s is 120. That's beautiful. And I know that 6 twos is 12. So I find that much more efficient. Either way, we're still getting that answer of 22. Let's look at a 3-digit, right, by 2-digit. 252 divided by 14. Well, here, maybe you say that, well, you know that, sorry, not sure why that moved. You know that 14 times 10 is 140. You also know that half of 140 is 70. So 14 times 5 is 70. So far, that has me up to 210. So then, I could say 14 times 2 is 28. So that has me up to 238. Then you say, oh, well, wait a second, I only need one more 14. 14 times 1 is 14, which gives me a total of 252. So I'd add up 10 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1. So 10 plus 5 is 15, 16, 17, 18. So I know 252 divided by 14 would be 18. Now, with that, again, friendly numbers. So if you wanted to, maybe some of you would say, well, I know that 14 times 15, and this is again thinking about it in terms of doubles and halves, because half of 14 is 7, 15 doubles 30, 7 times 30 is 210, so 14 times 15 is 210. Just applying an old strategy for you that may work, that may be something you guys do. So then you'd say, well, and then I know 14 times 3 is 42. And so I know if I add those together, that's 252. So again, 15 and 3 is a total of 18. So if you notice, you just keep working up the numbers. You're adding up chunks of numbers until you get to your total. Okay? If you have any questions, please ask myself or Mr. Ellaby, and we'd love to help you better understand the strategy. Thank you.